Hello guys, welcome to another product review and unboxing. And in today's product review and unboxing, we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the wireless microphone. It is a very good product. You're going to love it. But before we move on, as usual, I would like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos, share to friends and family, and also connect to us on WhatsApp and also connect to us on Discreet. You see the Discreet ID and also the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. Connect to us for you to enjoy latest tech content. Yes, connect to us. Thank you very much. Let's move on. So guys, like I've said earlier, we're gonna be reviewing and unboxing this wireless microphone, and also you can check the quick version of the unboxing. You see the link in the description section as a short. So quickly, this is a wireless microphone, the Lavalier Wireless Microphone. Yes. So let's take a tour around the body quick. So guys, as usual, let's just talk around the carton of the Lavalier wireless microphone quick. So you can see the front, you have a good image here, and you can see the wireless microphone, and you can see some Chinese language. So let's take a look at the back. So at the back, we have some few things you need to know. You can see them that talks about the microphone. You have the plug and play. We have the 20 meters of accessible reception. We have the precise audio, clear timbre, highly sensitive and widely compatible. So you can see those things, and those things are like the few features you need to know about the microphone. You can see it's a plug and play microphone. You don't need any much thing. All you have to do is to put in your receiver into your device that you're going to use, and then you make use of your transmitter. It's 20 meters of accessible reception. You don't necessarily have to be near your phone before you can be able to record. You get my point. And it has precise audio radio, and it's widely compatible because we have different types of this Lavalier microphone. We have the one for the Type C, we have the one for the Lightning, which for iOS. We also have the one that has the jack. You get my point. So down here we just have some few things that actually talk about this product. A lot of interference can happen. It can actually be transmitter can receive from another receiver. Yes, so let's just take a look at some other part of it quick. You can see here, like I've said, we have for iPhone, we have for Type C. So we actually bought the one for Type C. This is the one for Type C, and the one we bought is a black one. You can see it here. So we have the one that is yellow, and we have the one for iPhone, and also have 1-to-1 or 1-to-2. It is a 1-to-2. It has one receiver, two transmitter. Yeah. So I think always have here. It's just some few things, and some are not in the English language. So let's move on and unbox this product very quickly. So guys, let's unbox this quickly. So you can see the Type C cable. So we have the portable charging case here, in which we are going to also open and check out. Before we move on, also I want you to know that it comes with the manual. So you can see the manual. It comes with a manual. So first of all, one thing you need to know about the portable charging case of this wireless microphone is that it has a Type C port for charging. You can also charge the case. It has a Type C port of charging, and it also shows the percentage of the case somewhere here, in which I'm also going to show you. So when I open it up, you can see the two transmitter, which is this. I can also see the receiver, which is this. The receiver is a Type C receiver. It's not an iPhone, a Lightning one. It's a Type C receiver. Yes. So let's just take a look at the transmitter. So this is the transmitter, and right here you can see the indicator here. So right now it's changing color, is blinking green and red because of it is not connected. So we have the windproof net. So the windproof prevent death, and also it prevents some external noise and background noises when doing your recording with this microphone. Also we have the switch button here to switch it on and switch it off Maybe when we are not recording and you want to switch it off, you have the switch button here. We also have the type C port in which you can make use. If you want to charge only this transmitter in particular, you can charge it with this type C port, or if you want to charge it from the portable charging case, you just have to return it back into it and then you are good to go. You get my point? So also for when it's charging in this portable charging case here, is making use of this three magnetic pin here, which you can see. Yes, so all you have to do is to put it here and then you are good to go, and immediately you put it, you can see the percentage. It is 99%. So let's take a look at the receiver. So the receiver does not have a battery. It does not have a battery. So it also has a type C port in which you can use to charge the other device when making use of it. Let's say for instance you are on a live video and you are using this receiver because you are making use of the microphone. So you can just automatically charge your phone with the type C charging ports here. All you have to do is to input this into your device, which will continue to be able to transmit the voice, and you input your charger here, then you'll be able to charge your device and you continue to do your live video without any interference. Yes. So guys, so the next thing you want to do is easy. I told you earlier that we can make use of the receiver to charge the phone. So that is said because assuming you are on a live video and making use of this wireless microphone and you also want to charge your phone, you don't need to remove your receiver away from the phone, from the charging port. You just have to leave it and put in your type C charging charger to your receiver and it's done. So let's do that quick. So I'm just going to bring out a receiver, which is this, and I'm just going to take this phone right now and then put it to the, so can you see it like this? So the next thing I have to do is that the type C port you can see here right now, you just have to connect your charger to it. So I'm just going to connect my type C cable to it. And boom, it's charging. How I wish I could show you. Can you see it? So can you see it? You can see it's charging 19%. It's charging. So that's how you can be able to do it. So let's move on. So guys, if you get this microphone and does not work with your camera application, please, I want to let you know that it's going to work with your live apps like your Bingo lives, your Likey lives, your TikTok lives. But if it does not work with the camera application that comes with your phone, I want you to know that you have to get the app on Play Store called Open Camera. So you just have to go to Play Store and get the app called Open Camera. It's just about 3.5 MB. It's not much, and I promise you this wireless microphone is gonna work. Do you get it? Hey, before you continue watching this video, I want to quickly tell you about something. Have you heard about Opay before? Opay is a mobile banking app which allows you to transfer money to other banks and even Opay users, pay your bills like your electricity or cable bills, buy airtime or data to all network, and do some other transactions. When you create an account and join Opay, you get a welcome bonus of 1,200. But remember, for you to get the bonus, you must credit at least 2,000 naira from another bank. You get up to 6% cashback anytime you make a bill payment. There is free transaction and zero issues. You'll be able to get an instant and free debit card. All you need to do is for you to check the description section or the comment section for the link. Click the link and you'll be able to create your own Opay account. Now back to the video. So guys, right now I want to show you the app you are going to be using to make use of your Lavalier wireless microphone. If after trying it with your phone camera app is not working or is not responding, so all you have to do is you have to get the Open Camera app, in which I'm going to be showing you how to get it on the Play Store. Also, I want you to know that the microphone I'm actually using to record this to record my screen is the Lavalier wireless microphone, in which I also unboxing in this video. So quickly, without wasting much of our time, I'm just going to search for the Open Camera. I will install it and I'll show you how to make use of it. So I have the Open Camera here. and you can see it here, open camera by Mac Aman. So this is the particular one you should download, the one that has the Mac Aman name underneath it. So all you have to do is to click on install, and then that is all. So after installing, I'm going to show you the setting you're going to do so that you will be able to make use of the camera. So you can see it installed. All you have to do is to click on open, and remember also it is not a large file, it's just like around 3.5 MB. So click on open, and you click on accept the stuff, and then you click on OK. So right now the camera is not actually showing, but it's still actually showing, but I just put something behind it to actually see that it's showing. You can see it's showing, but actually put something behind it. So you just have to go to the settings, and then you have to go to the video settings, and then also you have to go to the audio source, and you click on external mic. So whenever you want to record your videos, remember that the wireless microphone is going to work, because you are using the open camera, which already has it in the settings that the external microphone should work. And you also see the output of a video we are going to record with the open camera, and you see the microphone in use, and also know that this is the microphone in use. So let's continue with the review and unboxing. So guys, I hope you've learned how to get the open camera, and also how to do the settings for your external microphone, so you can be able to make use of this wireless microphone. So the next thing I want to do right now is, you can see that my receiver is connected to the phone, and all I have to do right now is just click on the record button to record a short video, which I'm going to be showing you the output. And also, like I've said earlier, don't forget to go to the OTG setting to do to switch on the OTG so that it can allow the receiver. So let's record a quick video using this phone and the receiver, which you can see in the screen right here. And I'm also going to be showing you the output. So guys, right now I'm going to move away from this camera right here, so I can show you that even you can be a little bit far away from the phone and you still be able to record your videos with the wireless microphone. Hello guys, I hope you can hear my voice right now. It's a very good voice, and I know you love it. Thank you very much. Let's keep watching. So guys, I'm done with the video, and I know you like it. So let's check out the output of the video so you can see that the wireless microphone. So let's go check it right away. Hello guys, I hope you can hear my voice right now. It's a very good voice, and I know you love it. Thank you very much. Let's keep watching. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. If you love this video, make sure you like it, and also leave a comment in the comment section. And to get this particular product, you are going to see the link in the description section or the comment section. Thank you very much, and also connect to us on WhatsApp and on Discreet. You will see the Discreet ID and WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get the latest tech updates. See you in the next video.